welcome to the English Learning Point. I'm here with a new topic, interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is a pronoun which is used to make asking questions easy. There are just 5 interrogative pronouns. Each one is used to ask a very specific questions or indirect questions. The 5 interrogative pronouns are what, which, who, whom, and whose. These all are interrogative pronouns. They use in the starting of the sentences. What? We use what used to ask question about people, animal, or object. What do you want for dinner? What do you want for dinner? So here what is an interrogative pronoun, and we are asking the question, what do you want for dinner? So it is referring to you, that what do you want for dinner? So this is the interrogative pronoun. What is your friend's name? What is your friend's name? Your is a pronoun here, and what is an interrogative pronoun, right? What time are we supposed to be there? What is the color of her hair? उसके बालों का रंग कौन सा है? उसके अभी बालों का रंग क्या है? So what we use to ask questions about people, animal, or objects. Which we use to ask questions about people, animal, or objects. Which color do you prefer? आप कौन सा color prefer करते हो? Which of these ladies is your mother? आपकी इनमें से mother कौन सी है? Which cat stole the fish from the basket? कौन सी cat ने जो है basket में से fish ली? Which is the biggest building in this area? इस area में से सबसे बड़ी building कौन सी है? So here which we use to ask question about people, animal, और कोई things. किसी भी चीज के लिए हम which यूज करते हैं. जब हम कोई क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो, किसी से WH क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो, और एंड में हम क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाते हैं. Who used to ask questions about people? Who is that? कौन है वो? Who was driving the car? कौन गाड़ी चला रहा था? I am wondering who will be at the party. मुझे हैरत हो रही है कि पार्टी पे कौन होगा? Whom. This interrogative pronoun is rarely seen these days, but when it shows up, it is used to ask questions about people. Whom did you speak to? आपने किन के साथ बोला? Whom do you prefer to vote for? आप किसको वोट दोगे? To whom did you give the book? ने किसको बुक दी आपने? Whom do you live with? आप किसके साथ रहती हो? Whom we use word with किसके साथ. Who's used to ask questions about people or objects, always related to position. Whose sweater is this? ये स्वेटर किसका है? तो यहाँ पर जो whose है, whose we use to show position, कि मलकियत शो करता है, ऑनरशिप शो करता है. There we use whose. Whose parents are those? ये किसके पेरेंट्स हैं? Whose phone is that? वो फोन किसका है? So whose we use for position, people, or object. Clear? Now let's move to this exercise. Insert a suitable interrogative pronouns into the blanks. As I have already explained the complete interrogative pronoun, so I want you to fill these blanks. Dash through the football. Who, what, which, and whose. Who threw the football? What threw the football? Which threw the football? And whose threw the football? Now you need to fill over here. As first practice all of these interrogative pronouns, then fill these blanks out. Dash would you prefer, coffee or tea? Who would you prefer? Whom would you prefer? Which would you prefer? Whose would you prefer? Dash time do we need to be at the airport? Which time do we need to be at the airport? What time do we need to be at the airport? Whose time do we need to be at the airport? And whom time do we need to be at the airport? Dash car is that? Whom car is that? Whose car is that? What car is that? Who car is that? Dash is your sister's name. Who is your sister's name? Whom is your sister's name? What is your sister's name? Whose is your sister's name? Dash did you tell? Whom did you tell? What did you tell? Whose did you tell? Which did you tell? Dash of these books have you read? What of these books have you read? Whom of these books have you read? Whose of these books have you read? Which of these books have you read? Dash wants ice cream. What wants ice cream? Whom wants ice cream? Who wants ice cream? And whose wants ice cream? Now you need to fill out these blanks. As I have already explained you all of these interrogative pronouns, so according to these, then you need to fill them all. First practice them, then fill these all. Alright? Hopefully this must have been clear to all of you. Thank you.